Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Brentwood local and long distance movers near me. Finding the most reliable and cheap Brentwood moving company can seem like a hassle. When you contact 3 Movers, you get an affordable moving company for your local or long distance move. We help all types of people move from homeowners to renters to business owners to students. When you need help moving, our team is ready to help make your moving day stress free. Hiring a long distance moving company just makes sense. Most people don't want to be strapped with driving a moving truck across the country or even a shorter distance to the next state over. Plus, professionals know how to pack your things up and transport them properly. When you need to move more than 100 miles away, you need the right long distance moving company to help. We offer all the necessary moving services, including a local move is one that stays inside a city or travels no more than 100 miles. You might be debating whether or not to use a California moving company. For those who value their time and want to minimize hassle, hiring a local moving firm is money well spent. The heavy lifting will be done by trained professionals to your benefit. At 3 Movers, we have the expert movers you need to ensure a smooth relocation. We've simplified everything to speed up your relocation. We can complete the relocation in a matter of hours if you estimate that it will take you a whole weekend. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Brentwood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.